Boyd Family TV. We're back again with another video, and today we are doing the assembly of the little electronic 2018 Maserati Ghibli vehicle. Today is going to be a good video. We're going to show you how to put it all together for your children, and they will definitely have a good time with this. You can see our little daughter Janice in slow motion right here, getting busy on it. So, without further ado, let's get into this assembly of the vehicle. And also, it's a box opener, so stay tuned for that. Okay, here is the box that it came in. For some reason, it has a red car on the outside. But anyway, let's get this bad boy open here and see what's inside. As you can see the white coloring of the car there. Take this little cardboard piece off and I'll show you what's in here. So we got some rims, some plastic rims here. Alright, set this over on the side right there. It's got some rear view mirrors, side mirrors, some tools and fasteners, nuts and washers and things like that. Got the instructions, but you're not going to need that because you're going to watch this video. And let me see what else we have here. Looks like we got the seat right there. The Maserati insignia. Pretty cool seat in my opinion. Alright, set that over to the side. And what else do we have? We have the steering wheel, the Maserati insignia, right in the center. See here the battery, components, motor, and we also have the 4 wheels here. Over to the side, there's 1 wheel. Dos, trace, and the final one. See here, and other than that, it's just the car, and you can see all the parts, the stickers that go on wheels in the back of the seat, the nuts, bolts, the tightening tools. Alright, so we're going to show you how to put the rear wheels on. First, you install a washer. After you install the washer, you can go ahead and slide the tire right onto that small axle right there. Just slides right on. Then get another washer. Slide it right on that portion. Then get your nut. Screw it on. Then there's a plastic bolt tightener. Don't forget, righty-tighty. Now you want to do it snug, but not too tight. You don't want to damage it in any type of way. So after that, you pop on your rim. That's the assembly of your tire. Now, that is the motor right there. You just slide that onto the axle. Put your tire on like so. Same thing with the other side. Place your washer on. Put your tire on. Another washer. Screw your nut on. Your nut tightener. And righty-tighty, people. Righty-tighty. Once again, you want to get it snug and not too tight. Then, you just pop the rim on. Pop it on. You'll hear it snap into place. Alright, next we're going to put the steering wheel together. Now, it comes with a a bolt inside of it. So we're going to take that up. Whoops, I dropped it. Kind of clumsy. And there is the electronic connector. Now you can go on one way. It's idiot proof. And I'm an idiot. So just slide that right on. Then you take the wires and tuck that into the hole there so that you can hide all the electronic components. Make sure that you can get that completely in. Nothing showing. See, there's still a little bit showing there. So I had to take it off and make sure to tuck it all the way in correctly. Now, once you get that done correctly, you're going to make sure that you get a screwdriver to drive that bolt in right there. And then also, there is a nut on the other side that you have to put in to make sure that your your bolt is in there correctly. See right there, just holding that nut there. Yeah, and I'm still using my screwdriver to completely make sure that that's flush there. Alright. Now I got a adjustable wrench. Make sure that that nut is completely tightened. I got my screwdriver on the other side. Just holding that nut in place and screwing it in. Got your windshield. Pop that right into place. Pretty easy. This whole assembly shouldn't take more than 30 minutes. It's pretty easy assembly. Now, this part is for your battery here. There's a wire that connects to this red portion. This little red wire. As you can see, the little black portion goes right there. Just slide it right on. And then once you do that, you'll be able to actually turn on the vehicle. Like so. Brake lights, headlights, pretty cool little toy. Now, once you got that together, you can put your seat on. Right there, there's 2 screws that you have to put into the corresponding holes. Now, the 2 screws, they're actually in the holes when it's first in the box. So you have to screw those out, put the seat on, and then screw those bolts right into place. Then you just snap on the side view mirrors. It's a little handle right there for pulling your vehicle, and the charger portion is right in the seat. Then you can make sure to charge that up for 4 to 6 hours. Alright, stickers go into the brake blocks right there. There's also another sticker goes on the back of your seat if you want. But here is the full assembly of the vehicle. Pretty nice, pretty nice. And I believe it's time to take this bad boy for a spin. Alright, here we go.
Hey, keep on. Yeah. Yeah. Keep on. It's fully charged. You're good. Yeah. Keep on going.
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Don't stop. Keep going. Don't stop. Keep your foot up there. Keep your foot up there.
Good. Yeah. 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 Good. 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 Good, baby. Yeah.
Alright guys, that's it for the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. And stay tuned for more videos from Boyd Family TV. See you later.